Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of mobility management. So basically our mobiles or our devices which we are using, they could be moved, right? So we are using a smartphone which you can take it from one place to another place. But whenever it is connected to a cellular network, it will not disconnect as you move, right? So if you are in Hyderabad or some place, it will be connected. So as you move out of it, it will not disconnect and it will not take lot of time to connect again, right? It will be done within seconds or minutes, you can say in simple words, right? Yes. So it refers to the way of network management, the movement of the mobile subscriber. So assume that this is your city and this is your beside city and this is your farther city. In that way, okay? Yes. So basically when you move from this place to this place, automatically this network will disconnect and this network will automatically connect, guys. So this concept is nothing but the mobile management. Mobility management. Okay, we'll be discussing about the terminology also, like handoff and all those things we'll be discussing in this lecture, guys, don't worry. Okay, yes. So the next concept is nothing but the location management. So basically if you want to connect to some other tower, so you move from here to here, so how can the towers know, guys? How can some devices know? So they use location management, guys. So they will be getting some updated information by tracking your location. In simple words, you can say using GPS or any other method, they will be getting your location, and based on your location they will connect you to that particular network which is strong in your area. Okay, so when a mobile moves from one location to another location, the system knows current location of the user. It might be by using the location update registration or location tracking system. So it might be in some way. Okay, yes. So basically I told you, right? So assume that this area is for Airtel, guys. Assume that this is a city, big city, so it is having Airtel. And assume this is a small city or a village, you can say, which is having Jio connection also, right? Yes. So in this situation, assume that you are traveling from this place to this place and here you went in this way. So if you are traveling in between the same area networks, so in between Airtel only you are switching multiple towers. So this communication is not, or movement is called as inter-cell movement. Whereas whenever you are changing from one network to another network, that's complete network, right? So Airtel to Jio you are transferring. So this concept is called as intra-cell movement. And this transfer, like you are not registered in Jio, so your SIM is registered in Airtel. So in that situation, your details are sent to Jio, guys, right? So it will be stored in the virtual registers, right? Yes. Okay. So this concept is called as a handover, guys. Okay, so I think everyone has listened to the GSM modules, right? So in GSM also we wrote these things, right? So those are nothing but HLR and VLR. So HLR is nothing but the home register which your Airtel will have, Airtel customer will have. Okay, so what Airtel service provider will have. Okay, yes. And VLR is the Jio service provider will have your information virtually as you are a visitor to that place. So visitor location register data is maintained. Okay, yes. So this is temporary record and this is a permanent record. Your authentication, your codes, keys, everything will be stored. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea on all the concepts that we have discussed in the subject mobile computing, right? As this is the last lecture. Okay, so sorry, in the next lecture we'll be discussing some important topics of this particular unit, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea. If there are any missing topics based on our syllabus, please intimate me, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.